Operational costs are increasing, and how consumers prefer to receive their medications are changing. When patients fail to take their medications as directed, there can be serious, yet avoidable, consequences. At Covectra, we're here to help. We provide tangible end-to-end or turnkey healthcare solutions directly to the patient. Through our specialty pass-through packaging, patients can stick to their medicine schedules every day. But we're an adherence program, not just a package. We provide packaging, logistics, fulfillment, and marketing analytics services that minimize the effort for our customers. Our adherence program helps patients remain compliant, refilling their prescriptions on time, and reducing the likelihood they will stop taking their meds or going elsewhere to have the prescription filled, leading to increased patient wellness and operational cost reduction, increased sales, and enhanced customer retention. We believe in sustainability. Our packaging uses 53% less plastic than the unit of use bottle, making the world a better, healthier place in more ways than one. Our adherence program provides value way beyond dispensing savings, integrating seamlessly into current e-pharmacy central fill operations with little risk or required resources from the customer. We handle the logistics so you can do what you do best. Because we're not just an adherence package, we're a program. Are you ready to transition to the pharmacy of the future? Visit us at Covectra.com.